Concentrating on checking right. I heard a dark voice beside of me, and I looked round in a state of fright. I saw four faces, one man, a brother from the gutter. They looked me up and down a bit and turned to each other. Det är geweldig dat ze hier zo'n standbeeld neerzetten. And I say, I don't like cricket. Oh no, I love it. I don't like cricket. Oh no, I love it. Don't you walk through my words? You got to show some respect. Don't you walk through my words? Got to wait on me. Oh yeah. We looked down at my silver chain. He said, I'll give you $1. I said, you got to be joking, man. It was a present from my mother. He said, I like it, I want it. I'll take it off your hands and you'll be sorry. You cost me and better understand that you know. A long way from home. I said, I don't like reggae, yeah. Oh no, I love it, yeah. I don't like reggae, yeah. Oh no, I love it, oh yeah. Don't you grab me style, don't you queer me bitch. Don't you walk through my words, cause you ain't help me out, yeah. Swimming pool, sinking pina colada. I heard a dark voice beside me say, would you like something harder? She said, I got it, you want it. My harvest is the best, and if you try it, you like it. And won't really drink like holiday. I say, don't like Jamaica. Oh no, I love her. Yeah, don't like Jamaica. Oh no, I love her. Oh yeah, don't you walk through my words? You got to show some respect. Don't you walk through my words? Cause you ain't ever. Oh yeah. I don't like cricket. Oh no, I love it. Jet like holiday. I don't like reggae. Yeah. Oh no, I love it. Jet like holiday. Don't like Jamaica. Yeah. I love it. Jet like holiday. I don't like cricket. Oh no, I love it. Jet like holiday. Come on, thank you very much. You're on the Isle of Love.